mga kapochi! Welcome back again sa aking channel. Ngayong araw na to, I will make the maintenance of the air compressor of this vessel. Kung may comments kayo about sa gagawin ko, feel free to comment down below, okay? So yun lang. Let's go! Simulan natin! Tenen, tenen, tenen. Tenen, 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 tenen. Start. Now switch the service to the other compressor and then shut off the power supply of the compressor that undergo maintenance. Now, open the drain plug using number 17 wrench and drain the oil of the air compressor. Open the cup lid so the draining will be faster. Now, using number 13 wrench, loosen the nuts and remove the cover of the cooling fans of the air compressor. Here, we're going to disconnect fittings connecting the coolers and the cylinders. Using number 30 wrench, 3 fittings will be removed, 2 from the cylinders and 1 from the safety valve. The suction filter cover and its filter for the first stage cylinder. Here, we're going to remove the cylinder cover of the first stage cylinder. Using number 16 box wrench, I am removing the nuts of the cylinder cover. This cylinder has 6 bolts and 6 nuts. This is bigger than the other cylinder because this cylinder is the suction cylinder. Now, we are going to remove the second stage, the second cylinder. It only has 4 nuts and bolts. What you see inside the cylinder cover is the valve of the cylinder. That cylinder is smaller than the first stage. This time, we're going to do the documentation part. We need to record the things that we did, take a picture as evidence that we did the maintenance. Now here is the cleaning time. I'm using the pressurized air so I can blow off all the residues, impurities, carbons that's situated in the valves inside the cylinder and the bumpers. Checking the liners is also a must whenever conducting a maintenance check. And clean it afterwards.
Now we're done checking all that needs to be checked, such as gaskets, valves, liners, oil leakage, and cleanliness. We're now starting assembling the air compressor. Did you know that pressing the subscribe button is for free? If you haven't subscribed yet, just click the subscribe button. You can also click the bell button so you get updated for the future videos. Go now! Promotion aside, as you can see, I am now tightening the nuts of the second stage cylinder. Things to remember: always assemble first what you dismantled last, or that you won't be lost in assembling anything. Now, I'm putting the cylinder cover of the first stage cylinder. Remember, this cover has 6 nuts and bolts. Now, we're putting the suction filter of the first stage cylinder. This part, I'm connecting the fittings, connecting the coolers and the cylinder head covers. Now let's return the cover of the cooling fan. Now I'm putting the drain plug of the sump tank of the compressor and preparing the oil to be put on the sump tank. I'm filling about a liter.
So that's how I made a maintenance check of the air compressor. I hope you got something from that video. If you haven't clicked the subscribe button yet, feel free to do so you can get updated for the next videos I'm going to upload. So thank you and bye!